ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी यही आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर भव्या। ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी यही आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर भव्या। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर भव्या।
गॉड ब्लेस यू,
गॉड ब्लेस माय बेटा।
लव यू लोड्स। हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या दीदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या दीदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या दीदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या।
लॉट्स ऑफ लव। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या दीदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hello Bhavya, wish you a very happy birthday बहना।
Hi Bhavya, it's a special day today. Wish you a very happy birthday and I pray to God to give you all the happiness and love in life. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday Bhavya, may all your dreams come true. May you achieve loads of success in your life. May you soon become Dr. Bhavya. Love to chat with you always endlessly. Miss you, love you, hope to meet you soon. Bye bye, take care.
Bhavya, wish you a very happy birthday and I hope you have a great time with Krishiv and Prashant. Hi Prashant, कैसे हो आप? Krishiv, remember you Kiki मासी? लव यू सो मच भव्या। चल, बहुत सारे लोग हैं वीडियो बनाने के लिए तो मैं थोड़ा सा ही टाइम लूँगी। बाय बाय, लव यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या, एंजॉय योर डे। हाय भव्या, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे डार्लिंग। बताना ओमान में क्या क्या किया। हैव फन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर भव्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। एंजॉय योर डे।
लव यू, टेक केयर। Happy birthday to you, Bhavya. Happy birthday to you, Bhavya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Bhavya didi.
Happy birthday to you, Bhavya. Happy birthday.
हेलो भव्या जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरी तरफ से एंड मेरी परिवार की तरफ से। मैं ये चाहता हूँ इस स्थिति में, इस पेंडेमिक कंडीशन में आप और अपना परिवार के ख्याल रखिए। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। थैंक यू।
Hi Bhavya, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you're doing good at Oman and Krishiv is also good. I miss you a lot. I miss the gossip sessions, choosing makeup for you. All those memories. Hope we'll meet soon. A very happy birthday to you. Take care.
Happy birthday Bhavya ji. Wish you all the very best for your future. You are a brilliant person and I'm very happy meeting you. You have given us a lot of love, support. You are always a helping hand, a motherly figure, not because of your age but because of your nature. You have always taken care of us. Like elder sister, you always supported us for everything. And you have given us directions whenever we needed. And you have always made us feel that someone is there to take care. I have never felt that I'm left out when you are around. So I must thank you for being so kind and so supportive and so loving. And I must tell you, I have learned one thing from you, that's a lot of patience that you have. Softness, patience, lovingness, caringness. No one can have as much you have. So happy birthday. Keep going. Be the same person for every time whenever I meet you. Maybe after 50 years, you should be the same, because the qualities that you have is the most important quality in humanity. So all the very best, and give my love to Krishab, and love you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Bhavya. Lots and lots of love and blessings to you. I hope तुम वहाँ पे अपना एक लाइफ का न्यू फेज एंजॉय कर रही हो और खूब मस्ती हो रही है प्रशांत और कृषिव के साथ वहाँ पे. मैं तो तुम्हें बहुत मिस करती हूँ और मेरे लिए तो तुम एक पेशेंस का एक एपिटोम जिसको कहते हैं ना, तुम वो हो. तुमसे ही पेशेंस सीखी है और शायद तुम्हारी 5% पेशेंस भी अगर आ जाए तो लाइफ का पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. और मैं तो बहुत मिस करती हूँ वो ऑफिस के दिन जब तुम्हारे डब्बे ख़त्म ही नहीं होते थे और कभी भी बोलो भव्या भूख लग रही है, एक ना एक डब्बा निकल के आ जाता था. तो वो वाले डेज मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ. एंड स्पेशली श्रुति और अर्चा और तुम और मेन गौर में बैठ के जो गप्पे मारते थे और श्रुति के जो बिना मतलब के अर्चा को तंग करने वाली बातें, मैं तो वो बहुत मिस करती हूँ. और तुम्हें मिलने का बहुत मन है. अब तुम जल्दी इंडिया आओ तो मिलेंगे. लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव. वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hey girl, how are you? You are the most amazing and the sweetest person I have ever known. And so on this day, I wish you a very happy and joyous birthday. Enjoy your day to the fullest, and sending you lots of hugs and kisses. And also, I also want to thank you for being there for me whenever I needed. So I just wish everlasting joy for you. Stay blessed always. Love you. Thank you.
Today is the perfect day to let you know that you have been a wonderful boss and a friend. Your supportive nature is everything one could look for in a good boss. I wish you a very happy birthday, Bhavya. Very happy birthday. As you're starting another milestone today, I pray God provides you with opportunities and strength and good health and loads and loads and loads and loads of happiness and love and good wishes. Love you.
Hi Bhavya, many happy returns of the day. And on your birthday, I wanted to tell you that how much I appreciate having you, not just as a colleague but also as a great friend with whom I can talk about just anything. And thank you for being always there. And I really wish that your year ahead is full of health and happiness. Keep smiling always. Love you lots. Bye.
Hi Bhavya, a very happy birthday. And हमने बहुत सारे memories share किए हैं साथ में. From the same bed, clothes, accessories, ups and downs, सब साथ में देखा है और एक दूसरे के साथ रहे हैं. टफ टाइम्स में एक दूसरे को काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया है. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द सेम बेड एंड वी यूज्ड टू कडल ईच अदर व्हेन वी वर फीलिंग लो. बट एंड दैट हैज़ बीन द सेम. मतलब अब हमारा फिजिकल डिस्टेंस थोड़ा बढ़ गया है बट हाँ ठीक है, फ़ोन पे सब हो जाता है. तुम बहुत ही स्वीट लड़की हो और मैं शायद दुनिया में किसी को नहीं जानती जिसने कभी मतलब ऐसा कहा हो कि भव्या उसकी लाइफ में आई है. और she's not a sweet person and she's so cute, she's so helping. That's why we call you Mother India, क्योंकि तुम बहुत अच्छी हो. एंड तुम्हारे जैसा काइंड बिहेवियर, काइंड एटीट्यूड मैंने किसी का नहीं देखा कभी. एंड यू आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. ऑल्सो आई विश ऑन योर बर्थडे जितनी मस्त तुम थी हमेशा रहो. और याद रखना अपना स्कूटी वाला टाइम बस. एंड वेन एवर यू फील लाइक जस्ट गो आउट. एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू गिव अप ऑन दैट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. कीप दैट लिटिल बिकॉज मुझे पता है एज के साथ बहुत चेंजेस आ जाते हैं. अब शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए, और मतलब ठीक है काफ़ी चीज़ें में हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करते हैं. हम अपनी अटेंशन किसी और को डाइवर्ट कर देते हैं. करनी भी चाहिए टाइम के साथ, बट एक अपना इनोसेंस, एक अपना फन, और जो फन तुम दूसरों की लाइफ में लाती हो वो कभी गिव अप मत करना. बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी वेरी रेयर क्वालिटी एंड नॉट मेनी पीपल हैव इट. And on your birthday, I wish you lots of sex, success, happiness, and a good career. And you are a terrific mother. I am sure Krish will be very proud of you in future. And on this birthday, decide something for yourself. And one thing that you will work on yourself, or maybe cherish one of your passions a little bit more. And I think so you should do that because now is the time. And yeah, I love you a lot. Just don't go away ever from my life. There are very few people, genuine people in my life, and I really like to keep them, and neither I will let you go ever. So you are my best friend. I love you a lot.
हेलो जी, कैसे हो? जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. कहीं दूर जाके बस गए हो, मिलना इतना मुश्किल हो गया है. वैसे भी इस कोविड के टाइम मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, but that's fine. Hope to see you sometime soon. Have a great birthday, and you know that you are funny, sensitive, empathetic, beautiful. You resemble me a lot. Okay, so I'll stop talking nonsense. If jokes apart, you know that you are a rock star, है ना? And you have to stay like that. Stay happy, stay smiling, stay healthy, no matter what happens. Just know that everything will be alright, and we're all here for you. And I miss you so much, and the gang. And I hope to meet you sometime. But have a lovely birthday and a wonderful year ahead. और एज के बारे में डोंट वरी एट ऑल, बिकॉज दे से दैट दिस यूनिवर्स रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ एंडलेसली. So by that logic, we are all ageless beauties, है ना? So keep rocking and hope to meet you sometime soon. Have a great birthday.
Hi guys, happy birthday Bhavya. Wish you lots of love on this day. और टिया की तरफ से भी हैप्पी बर्थडे मौसी. टिया इज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू विश यू. उसने स्पेशली बैंड लगाया जो कि वो बिल्कुल नहीं लगाती है. भव्या, लॉट्स ऑफ किसेस. वी रियली मिस यू. मैं तो इतना मिस करती हूँ उन दिनों को यार जिस दिन साथ में थे. आई डोंट नो दिन कब वापस आएंगे. शादी के बाद सब कुछ बदल चुका है. हार्डली गेट टाइम टू इवन टॉक. बट मैं बहुत खुश हुई जब श्रुति ने कहा कि भव्या के लिए एक वीडियो बनाना है. मैंने कहा चलो इस बहाने कम से कम we will communicate to you that I will communicate to you that I really miss you all. भव्या तू एक ऐसी लड़की है जिसके लिए मैं बहुत सेल्फलेस यूज कर सकती हूँ. शी इज वन ऑफ द गर्ल जिससे आज तक मेरे ख्याल से शी इज ऑल द टाइम अवेलेबल. कभी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करेगी आप. आई बिलीव दैट whosoever in your life is now, I mean not Prashant only but everyone, you all are very happy guys because you have everything. She is so amazing. And Bhavya, I really miss you. Stay the way you are. I love you. And अगर शायद इस ग्रुप में I'm dead sure निकी या श्रुति में से कोई भी लड़का होगा तो भव्या किसी लड़के के लिए बचती नहीं. भव्या के अंदर वो बात है. But I hope हम लोग सब दोबारा से मिलें despite of our marriages. पता नहीं कब मिल पाएंगे बट आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मैं आज इस तरह से इतने इम्पोर्टेंट डे पे अपना मैसेज दे पा रही हूँ. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. एंड टिया बोल नहीं सकती अभी बट I'm sure her eyes are speaking that she want to wish her Bhavya Mausi happy birthday. Bhavya Mausi, bye कर दो. चल Bhavya Mausi को bye करो. Bye करो दिया, bye bye. Okay, बच्चे बेइज्जती कराते हैं, कराने दो. But I love you. Enjoy your day. Good cheese. Bye. Happy birthday. हाय श्रुति, यार प्लीज़ एक और मैसेज ऐड कर दो उस वीडियो में कि मुझे मनाली ट्रिप बहुत पसंद है और मुझे वो मनाली ट्रिप बहुत याद आती है और बिकॉज ऑफ भव्या ओनली मुझे इतने अमेजिंग फ्रेंड्स मिले उस ट्रिप में. आई विश कि वैसी ट्रिप दोबारा हो जिसमें सिर्फ गर्ल्स जाए और कोई नहीं जाए और फिर से हम बहुत मस्ती करें उससे भी ज़्यादा जितनी हमने पहले करी थी. थैंक यू श्रुति, बाय.
Hello, Bhavya. Happy birthday. Stay happy. जल्दी वापस आओ, जल्दी मिलते हैं. Lots of love for Krishan.
Hi, happy birthday, darling. I mean, okay, it's happy birthday, darling. When Shruti asked me to record a video for your birthday, I thought, like, I actually took 2 days to understand, to think what should I be saying to you, and I really wanted to say beautiful lines to you which would have expressed our relationship. But actually, after thinking for 2 days, I realized that there is nothing I could say to you because our relationship, our friendship is, I guess, way beyond where I could express it in the words, or either I should be very good with the words to express. Well, anyway, there is something I still like to say to you since it's a very special day for you. So when Bhavna actually met us both, made both of us meet at that point of time, when I first saw you, I perceived you as a very simple girl who put on so much of lip balm on her lips, and I was like, dude, she already has so good lips. Why she need to really just fill them with so much of lip balm? But then I was like, okay, and I'm kind of forgetting. And then it came the first day of the school, my first day in your school, and I was again lost. Luckily Anu was with me, and we both holding our hands together made our way through that crowd of students to our classes in that Bhoot Bangla type of school, and finally reached our classes. And when we got into the class, I couldn't understand where to sit, and I somehow was able to grab myself a chair in the first row, front seat. And I was like, okay. And when you came, you actually asked me to sit with you, and I was not expecting it because I thought since we just met for one time and you might be helping me around, but you might not really be so comforting with me. So I thought, that thing is one thing which touched me, and well, I really enjoyed sitting with you. Now the second thing was, do you remember Aman used to say casually hi, hello to me initially, and after couple of episodes of these small highs and hellos with him, you for the first time told me actually beware from him because he is kind of a Casanova. I took it very casually at that point of time because I thought that's not really not anybody would be into me, because I never thought that way. My thought process was quite simple because I came from St. Thomas, and the environment back there was quite comfortable with all the guys, so I never thought that anybody else would also try to hit me. But that protective nature of yours is something to me which that the protective nature of yours really mean a word friendship for me. That caring nature of yours really mean a friendship to me. Never ever anybody before you, even till St. Thomas, and how much I love that school and how much I love the people, but never ever before you has made me feel what is friendship. Friendship is this. Friendship is Bhavya. Friendship is Bhavya's protective nature towards her friend. It's okay if if your friends doesn't take your advice seriously initially, but they eventually come to you back. And this is friendship, your caring attitude. And you know what, why I feel so lucky that I got you, that it's one thing that I got your friendship, and that's I can't tell you. I mean, literally, that's mean a lot to me. But because you were there in my life, because I mean, you are there in my life, but because of your friendship in my life, later in college, whether it's graduation or post graduation, Shweta was there with me like you were there with me in the school. Rohin was there with me like you were there in the school. Shruti was there with me like you were there in the school. And it continued. But it is only after you, because you were there. Because you were the one who made me feel what is friendship. You made me feel protective. You made me feel comfortable. You made me feel cared. You were always there with me. You always stood with me. Whether we did had lot of fights, you remember, and we did say words to each other, and I know it was always very hard to come back after a fight, but I remember we both were like so connected that it was not for a long that we could stay apart from each other. You were so wanted among friends, like always. Everybody wanted to be with you, but I never tried to get in that competition to be with you, because I somewhere in my heart always knew that what we have like together is always and for forever. Like what we both have is something that nobody could snatch away from you or me. So even when we don't talk so much, but whenever we talk, I tend to pour out my complete heart to you, and it is so easy to say things to you because I don't think so you judge me anytime. It's just that you are there. You are like second me. Like I talk to myself, I talk to you. So yeah, I do miss you. I will not say that I don't miss you. I do miss you, but then I understand that this is life and we do have to move on. So ending my wishes to you by this again, happy birthday, and I love you Bhavya, and I love Krishev, and I love Prashant also. Sorry, bye.
हाय भव्या, तुम्हारे बारे में जितना भी बोलो उतना कम है. बाकी लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है, तो सारी विशेज़ को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 फ्रॉम माय साइड एज वेल. एंड तुमसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, स्पेशली पेशेंस, और मेरा टॉलरेंस पावर जो कि 0 था वो अभी 100 तो नहीं पर 70-80 के बीच में आ गया है. एंड आई वुड से दैट आई एम सो लकी दैट आई हैव यू एज अ फ्रेंड. मेरे सभी बाकी दोस्त कहते हैं, बाकी रिलेटिव्स कहते हैं कि तुम्हें बिगाड़ने में सबसे ज़्यादा हाथ भव्या और निकिता का है. और अभी मेरा पति पीछे से रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है, वो भी ऐसे से कर रहा है. तो यस, मुझे बहुत बिगाड़ा है तुमने. और तुमने कहा था एक बार कि श्रुति तुमने मेरे अंदर का ना हैवान जगा दिया, पर तुमने मेरे अंदर का एक ऐसा इंसान जगाया है जो कि अभी की लाइफ के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. हैप्पी बर्थडे भव्या, लव यू. हाय कृष्ण, हाय प्रशांत, टेक केयर ऑफ भव्या. बाय बाय.
मेरी यही आरज़ू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Happy birthday to dear Bhavya.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है